Hey Google Sheets user, want to pull data from one table to another automatically? Let me show you how to use Vlookup like a pro without the confusion. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. It searches a value in the first column of a range, then return data from another column in that row. Let's see how it's work. Here's a simple tabs. Column A has names and column B has their scores. Now we want to look up someone's scores using their name. Let's say we want Alice's score. Type equals to capital B L or K root B open bracket open double quotation mark Alice end quotation mark comma space A2 colon B2 comma space 2 comma space capital FALIC close bracket. Here Alice is the name we are searching for. A2 colon B2 is our data range. 2 means return the value from the certain column. And false means we want an exact match. You can also use a cell reference instead of typing the name directly. Perfect if you are working with the drop downs or dynamic input. If you see hashtag not available or /a, it means the name wasn't found. And that's Vlookup made simple in Google Sheets. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe. For more special tips,